Hello everyone. My dad has the flu, so he asked if I could take over the interview. Please welcome our first guest, Mr. CashMoney.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Cash Money.
So, my dad gave me a list of questions to ask you, Mr. CashMoney. Are you ready?
Heck yeah.
This first questions come from Beans Bullion and Coins.
What's up, Great Bean?
His first question is, CashMoney, why are you such a cheap ass?
Oh, I ain't no cheap ass. Don't let him kid you guys.
His follow-up question is, CashMoney, how much money did you spend on your girl last year for Valentine's Day, her birthday, your anniversary, and Christmas, combined?
It's $40 for these.
Huh. I know I'm just a child, and no disrespect, Mr. CashMoney, but it seems to me that Mr. Greg Bean is correct. You are a cheap ass.
Bow.
Ooh, that is what that button does. My dad said to push it every once in a while.
Bow.
Our next question comes from Mr. Mellow Stacker.
My man, Mellow Stacker.
Mr. Mellow Stacker asks, CashMoney, is it true that you dated some of Kentucky John's sisters back in the day?
Oh yeah. Hey, he's got a bunch of them too.
This next question comes from the live chat from Mr. V. Rose.
Mr. V Rose.
Mr. V. Rose asks, CashMoney, I thought that you said Kentucky John was your cousin.
That's funny. I got smartasses up here tonight.
Our final question comes from Mr. Angry Warrior Tackle Box.
We've had a couple good conversations. I'm telling you, this guy, which you guys all know, Angry's been around here too long not to know how awesome he is, kind, generous, just a good friend. He really is.
Mr. Angry Warrior Tackle Box asks, CashMoney, I know that you always wear underwear with magical creatures on them. Which creature is it tonight?
I really do. I hate to say it. I like the unicorns.
Ah, yes, that's very interesting. Mr. CashMoney, do you have anything that you would like to share with everyone?
You know, if the world stopped, you guys, like how we're due east, like New York, how it's due east. I don't know how they say it, the world's rotating due east, whatever. And from New York to stop point, if it stopped, you know, everybody would end up doing 800 miles an hour. We fly out windows doing 800 miles an hour.
Okay, I don't know what the hell you are talking about, but okay. Thank you, Mr. CashMoney.
Thank you. It's been real fun. This your boy, Cash Money, signing out. Much love, everyone.
Have a wonderful evening, everyone.
Oh yeah. Nah, nah, boo boo.